know that a lot of these universities, especially in China, are very advanced. So I know that they can actually teach me something I want to learn. I would be really interested in studying in Shanghai or Beijing because those cities are really pretty and I would like to experience them.
I'm learning Chinese for second year here because I'm really interested in Chinese culture. I want to expand it, and as well I would love to visit some university in China. For example, for my master's, I was in Shanghai for 3 times. I really love China. It's an amazing country with amazing people, amazing culture, and really beautiful.
We talk with them about university because I'm interested in the university. They have good programs and I can study in English or Chinese.